Hi, I'm Ron from Proposabid. So, if you've ever had to manage property repairs as an owner, investor, or asset manager, you know how frustrating it can be. Chasing down contractors, comparing apples to oranges estimates, and hoping you're not overpaying. It's time consuming, inconsistent, and risky, especially when your capital and compliance are on the line. And that's why we built Proposabid. Proposabid is a done for you repair bidding platform that delivers fast, defensible, and ROI focused estimates without the typical chaos. And here's how it works: you submit a repair request. We instantly generate a scoped RFP. Then we pull in four or more competitive apples to apples bids from vetted contractors and vendors. Each bid is tailored to your scope. So you get real standardized pricing, often within hours. With Proposabid, you cut time spent on bidding by up to 80%, control repair costs with real market comparisons, and make compliant data-backed decisions you can defend to partners, lenders, or auditors, all from one streamlined platform. No spreadsheets, no guesswork, no delays. So whether you're underwriting a deal, prepping for an inspection, or planning CapEx, we help you move faster, protect your budget, and stay aligned with your investment goals. If that's on your radar, book a free discovery call today. Proposabid. Fast, accurate, ROI driven. Building trust, one property repair bid at a time.